Hey y'all, Rick Fairless, Strokers Dallas. I want to introduce you to Alice. Alice is my most favorite motorcycle on the planet. Excuse me, she is a 1975 Shovelhead. That's the year I graduated high school. And Alice is my most favorite dog ever. That's her on the back. So let's walk around and kind of take a look at my thought process. So the bike is painted gloss black with tie-dye flames. Well, you know I love tie-dye, but did you know that black is my favorite color other than tie-dye? So I wanted to do a combination of black and tie-dye and chrome. You can see that the rocker covers are powder-coated black. We use some brass offset pieces just to kind of break it up a little bit. Hamsters USA points cover. I like the big battery they put on there. It just screams Harley FL. I got the black and white cow seat, fat bob tanks. Notice on the front end, I use black fade to chrome. The wheels are what I call Fearless 5. They're 5-spoke. They're just cool. I wanted to leave the 1200 logo on there. I also wanted to leave the AMF Harley Davidson on there. And these are feet boards. So these are a proprietary item that I make here, and they are for sale. So if you have any Harley bagger from like 96 up or 99 up, somewhere in there, these footboards will fit. We had to make them fit on this one. So everybody wants to know about the 3 exhausts. Rick, why do you got 3 exhausts on a V-twin? Because I never seen it before. So we put a flap on the outside exhaust, the top one and the bottom one, funneling into the middle one so that all 3 of these are functional. I use the chrome struts, chrome shocks, as opposed to doing them black. Which I love. Use black oil lines with the braid on top of it. Rick Fairless derby cover. Punch Wally Garage for the coil cover. Just a good looking bike. Look what we did on the mirror. So on the handlebars, we custom mounted the mirror in there, and it's adjustable, so it's cool. So I love this bike. To me, this is like the perfect Harley Davidson. And I don't know, I just love riding this thing. All right, Rick Fairless, Strokers Dallas. Love you, bye.
Okay.
Hey y'all, so I'm gonna start Alice up so you can hear how good she sounds, and then I'm gonna take her for a little ride.